Let's customize the Start menu in Windows 11. I'll walk you through each setting so you can set it up exactly the way you want. First, open the Start menu. Click on Settings. Go to Personalization, and then select Start. At the top, you'll see three layout styles. First option, More Pins. This gives you more pinned apps on the Start menu and reduces the recommended section below. Choose this if you want easy access to a large number of apps. Second option, Default. This is a balanced layout. You get a normal number of pinned apps and a normal recommended section. This is ideal for most users. Third option, More Recommendations. This shows fewer pinned apps, but a bigger list of recently used apps and files. This is great if you often open recent files directly from Start. Show Recently Added Apps. Turn this on, and any new app you install appears at the top of your app list. This helps you find new programs quickly. Turn it off if you prefer a clean and unchanged list. Show Most Used Apps. When this is enabled, Windows highlights your most frequently used apps. This is very convenient if you open the same programs regularly. If you don't want that section visible, you can simply turn it off. Show Recently Opened Items. This includes recently opened files and folders in the Start menu, in File Explorer, and in jump lists when you right-click an app. If you often continue work from recent files, keep this turned on. It will save time. Show Recommendations. This controls the lower section of the Start menu. Windows may show recent files, recently used apps, and suggestions. Turn it off if you want a minimal, clean-looking Start menu. Keep it on if you want shortcuts to recent activity. Show account-related notifications. When this is on, Windows may remind you about things like backing up your data, verifying your Microsoft account, or syncing OneDrive. Even when it's turned off, important notifications will still appear when needed. Folders section. At the very bottom, you'll see a setting called Folders. Here you can enable quick shortcuts that appear next to the power icon on the Start menu. You can add shortcuts for File Explorer, Downloads, Documents, Pictures, Music, Network, and Settings. Turn on what you use often so access becomes faster. And that's how you customize your Start menu in Windows 11. Adjust each option to fit your style, keep it clean, or make it more functional, whatever works best for you.